Hello, friends. My name is Emily. I am 20 years old. Today, I want to tell you about my family. I live with my mom, my dad, and my younger brother. My mom's name is Sarah. She is very kind. She loves to cook pasta. Every Sunday, she makes a big pasta dinner for us. The smell fills the whole house. My dad's name is Peter. He is tall and strong. He works as a train driver. He wakes up very early every morning. Even though he is tired, he always smiles at us before leaving for work. My brother's name is Jack. He is 15 years old. He loves football. He plays for his school team. He is very fast and always scores many goals. We also have a dog. His name is Milo. He is brown and very playful. He loves to run in the park. Every Saturday, we all go to the park together. Jack plays football. I walk Milo. My mom and dad sit on a bench and talk. After the park, we go to the bakery. We buy fresh bread and sweet cakes. Sometimes, we go to the beach. We swim in the sea. We build sand. Milo runs on the sand and chases the waves. We always laugh a lot. One of my favorite memories is from last summer. We went camping in the mountains. We stayed in a small tent near a river. At night, we made a fire. We cooked marshmallows and told stories. The stars in the sky were so bright, it felt like magic. At home, evenings are special too. After dinner, we often watch movies together. We make popcorn and sit on the sofa. Sometimes we watch comedies and laugh. Sometimes we watch adventures and feel excited. Life feels simple but beautiful. We are always there for each other. We share our happy moments. We help each other when we are sad. I thought our life would always be like this. But soon, something happened that changed everything. One cold evening in winter, my dad came home late. His face looked tired. He put down his bag and sat at the table. We knew something was wrong. "Children," he said, "I have some bad news." My heart started to beat fast. I looked at my mom. She looked worried too. "The train company is closing," Dad said softly. "I will lose my job next month." The room was quiet. I didn't know what to say. Jack stopped eating his dinner. Dad tried to smile. "Don't worry. I will find another job," he said. But I could see in his eyes that he was scared. The next weeks were hard. Dad looked for work every day. He sent many applications, but no one called him. We had to save money. We stopped going to the park every Saturday. We stopped buying cakes from the bakery. Mom even sold her sewing machine to pay for bills. Jack and I tried to help. I tutored a small girl in English after school. Jack helped a neighbor carry groceries. We earned only a little, but it made us feel useful. One rainy afternoon, something worse happened. Milo ran out of the house when the door was open. He ran down the street. Jack and I chased him, but he turned into the main road. A car stopped just in time. The driver shouted at us, but he also helped catch Milo. We thanked him many times. When we came home, we were shaking. That night, I heard my parents talking in the kitchen. Mom's voice was soft but sad. "Peter, I don't know how we will pay next month's rent," she said. I couldn't sleep. I stared at the ceiling and wished I could help more. Then, one morning, something strange happened. A letter arrived. It had no name, only our address. Inside was just one short sentence. "You helped me once. Now, I want to help you." And something else was inside the envelope. I held the envelope in my hands. It felt heavy. Inside, with the note, there was a check. It was for a very big amount, more money than my dad's salary for a whole year. My eyes went wide. I called my parents. They stared at the check in silence. Who could this be from? Mom whispered. Dad read the note again. Then his face changed. I remember, he said slowly. One snowy night last year, my bus broke down. There was an old man waiting at the stop. He looked sick and cold. I stayed with him until another bus came. I even paid for his ticket so he could reach the hospital. I looked at Dad. You never told us this, I said. Dad shrugged. It was nothing big, he said. But now, we all knew it was something big. We used the money to pay our rent. We bought food and fixed our broken washing machine. Dad even bought new paints for Jack's school art class and a warm coat for Mom. A few weeks later, Dad found a new job. He became a school bus driver. The hours were shorter, and he was home in the evenings. Our life slowly went back to normal. We started going to the park again. We laughed together at dinner. Even Milo seemed happier, running around the garden. Sometimes, I thought about the old man. We never saw him again. But his kindness will stay in our hearts forever. One night, while we watched the sunset, Mom said, "This is why we must always be kind. We never know how one small action can change a life." I looked at my family and smiled. We had gone through a storm, but we came out stronger and more thankful for everything we had. Learning English is just like my dad's story. Sometimes it feels slow. Sometimes you think no one notices your hard work. But every small step matters. One day, all your effort will come back to you in a big way. So keep learning. Don't give up. Did you enjoy this story? Subscribe to my channel for more easy English stories and practice every day with me.